sometimes we need some changes.
So let's start.
In my past videos, I show you how I transformed this room where I used to sleep and also was my office. And now this place it's going to change. I know that I will need some things like paint, brushes, beer and more. I didn't change anything of this room for like 4 or 3 years. Having my bed out, we continue with my old TV and all the furniture. Also, we had to fill the gaps. This time we are going to paint only one of the walls in this dark color and leave all the other walls in white, so I can have different types of angles to film my videos. This first day we painted the wall and stopped it until tomorrow, when the paint was already dry. Unfortunately, we forgot to put paper on the floor and we have to more work by cleaning it. The second day was for buying all the things that I will need for this room and give a second hand to the wall. The third day we take out my old corner desk, and I say we because I asked my brother to help me taking out this desk. So now we are in day number 3. In the next room there are some people that are fixing some things, but we are going to start putting together all the furniture, the wood for the desk, and now we are taking out this old desk. The wood of my new desk is going to be a melamine finish in this bright color. I was so tired of the color of my past desk. It was darker, and having a black wall will let me have a brighter desk. I get a full size melamine for $50. The size was around 2 meters by 1.8 meters. And then we cut it into a lot of pieces to make my desk the size I want. I'm going to need more pieces for 2 stands in the wall, 1 monitor stand, and 2 pieces more for a cable management. Also, I met a metal worker to make me the base for around $70. The final price of these 2 desks was around $150, including the paint, the glue to paste the base to the wood, some pieces of this 3M thing that I don't know the name, but basically it's to prevent the scratches in the floor. The first desk it's going to be 220 centimeters by 70 centimeters, and the second desk it's going to be 160 centimeters by 60 centimeters. Then we paste the base to the wood, taking care that the base is in the middle of the wood.
Ya lo tengo. Va.
Ok chicos, es el día número 4 creo, ya perdí la cuenta, pero tenemos listo esta mesa que está por aquí, esta de acá también, que la dejamos secando, pero ya está lista. Ahora hay que darle la vuelta a esto y comenzar a ordenar todo. The monitor stand was very easy to make. All I need was a nail brackets, also a little bit of glue and some screws. Y acá el monitor. Así. Será pues. The size of this stand was 70 centimeters by 20 centimeters, considering that I use a 27-inch monitor. We just stick these 2 pieces. We'll let dry this piece for today. This is to put all the cable management. Let's see if it works. So we have put all this glue around the desk. And also we put this tape to secure that it's spaced. And finally the part of the cable management. We put some screws to secure the base and don't have any problem later. Okay, now we have all of this part here to put all of our cables, and this is drying, but let's see if it works. So finally I think this is already done. We are going to start putting all the things here. We are going to finish cleaning all this space to finally be done.
Vamos a poner los cables aquí.
A ver qué tal va quedando. Espero que haya secado todo muy bien. Bueno, espero que haya secado todo muy bien. Y vamos a poner los cables aquí. Vamos a darle un poquito de encuadre. Ahí tal vez. Más o menos. Tal vez ahí. Va.
Okay, I'm trying to put the cables down here, so we have to try finish, and then I will show you how it looks. Okay guys, all of these have to be here. All I need is the desk to be next to the wall. This is the Wi-Fi router or modem, whatever you want. And I have to bring some more things to put on the desk.
Finally, the moment to put my setup arrived. And also I had to buy some peripherals and some decoration for this room. Also a new vertical monitor. This one helps me a lot for editing video reels. It's a 24-inch monitor and it's from Samsung. Así es como va quedando el setup. Voy a intentar poner el CPU de este lado para que no ocupe toda la mesa. Pero voy a intentar prender las luces de atrás y ya comenzar a pegarlo para atrás a ver qué tal queda. Also, I get a lot of anime figures like the Roronoa Zoro figure or the Zenitsu figure that I put inside of my PC that was very dirty. So I think I finished this room and enjoy this reveal. Thanks for watching. Maybe you are asking where is the second monitor or where is the second desk, so I will leave this interrogant here and make another 2 videos. So that is going to be all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, that will help me a lot to reach 1000 subs. Thanks, see you in the next one.